Welcome back to the Vegan Test Kitchen, everyone. Today's recipe is so simple, it's probably going to become your next go-to lunch. And because we're continuing our whole food plant-based series, it's also oil-free, which is great. Today, we're making a no-tuna salad sandwich. I think you're going to like it. So, as always, all the ingredients that you need are listed below. Let's get started. Alright, like I said, this is going to be pretty simple. There are not that many ingredients involved. So the first thing you're going to do is grab a can of chickpeas, drain it and rinse it. And we're going to put these in a mixing bowl. Alright, and we are going to smash these as much as possible. And you can leave some of these whole if you wish. But we do want this to be more of a shredded consistency. Alright, I think that is good. Now to this we're going to add a 1/4 cup of diced celery and a 1/4 cup of diced onion. And we're going to add a teaspoon of chopped capers, along with a 1/4 cup of diced pickles, or pickle relish, 1 teaspoon of Dijon or spicy mustard, 3 tablespoons of tahini, 1 tablespoon of agave nectar or maple syrup, and an optional tablespoon of roasted, unsalted sunflower seeds. And of course, we are going to flavor this with a little bit of black pepper, and you want a healthy pinch of sea salt. Or, in my case, I'm using kelp granules because I want to add just a little bit more of a fishy flavor to it. This has a nice, subtle taste of the sea, if you will. Alright, we're just going to give this a good mix. And of course you want to adjust the seasonings. If you need to add a little bit more salt or kelp granules or pepper, do that. Alright, just grab some really nice healthy whole grain bread. Put some chopped tomatoes and onions and lettuce on there. And you have a fantastic sandwich. This is a big old sandwich. So I'm going to try a little bit of this by itself too. This is a really good no-tuna salad. I would suggest maybe cutting back on the maple syrup or agave nectar. It's a little too sweet for me. I think that's a little unnecessary, but all the other flavors are there. I mean, you have the pickle, which is nice, the capers come through a little bit, and I definitely suggest getting the kelp granules because not only is it a nice salt substitute, but it does give you just a very slight fishy taste. It's not overpowering at all. But you know, it's nice and creamy. That's what the tahini's for. There's no oil, no mayonnaise. It's just a really good, healthy, no tuna salad sandwich. And you could even eat it with crackers too, because you know, that's what it's there for. It also stays together really nice, which, you know, it doesn't like fall apart all over the place. All in all, this is a fantastic no tuna salad sandwich that's healthy. So I hope you liked what you saw today. If you did, hit a thumbs up. I would love you for it. And make sure to subscribe and share and comment and all that good stuff. I'll see y'all next time.